Goa is one of the few states changing from green zone to red zone. As opposition, we have been taking up issues in the interest of the state, not keeping any political lineage, but wanting to see that Goans do not get any effects out of this coronavirus and the COVID-19. Unfortunately, the BJP government with the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has not been able to give us solutions. Rather, confusion politics is continuously happening. You have too many leaders in the state who have been talking like the Chief Minister, and that is creating more panic within the people of Goa. Today we need to plan very wisely. Cases have gone more than 200 plus, and we need to ensure that we are ready to face in eventuality of any wrong things that may happen. I pray to God that nothing goes wrong. But with the multiplication from Mangor that has started, it is something we need to put our mind and put our mind into application and start working. Whether we need a lockdown or no, we need to decide. If it's a containment zone, because we are still playing with words, whether it is local transmission or community transmission. I think we need to be more matured and start taking decisions. The medical fraternity is under tremendous pressure. The numbers are increasing. We don't know what hospitals are being coming, because suddenly hospitals are being told by night that we have a hospital to go into. We don't know the number of beds. Other states have shown examples which are creating problems for Goa, which may create similar problems for Goa tomorrow. So whether we need the medical army, medical corps, whether we need to get CRPF in the containment zone to ensure law and order is in proper areas, whether why we are having so much of time to get the testing kits and medical kits in place, what is the other infrastructure in terms of hospitals, what we need. These are the overall things which we basically need to put into place immediately, not wasting more time. We are only talking on SOPs and transmissions and other things, wherein this is very important for our local goals. And very important right now is the stranded Goans who are there in form of seafarers or stranded Goans across the world, which are still trying to connect, where Goa government has again failed under the mission Vande Mataram, where everybody else have been coming in their respective states, except for our local Goans who are still trying. So I think there are a lot of things which I think is out of the scope of the Chief Minister today, because this callous attitude is only putting us more in trouble. So I thought it is at most right to get it to the note of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the Home Minister Amit Shah ji, and the Health Minister concerned, Union Health Minister, who I think should be responsive enough to ensure that Goa does not come in an area which tomorrow we will have problems. Every place where we have put our foot down, whether it was people from red zone coming under quarantine tourism or whether it was coming as a second home, sealing the borders, everything we have been vocal enough, but the Chief Minister is not able to react. Today he has called for an all-party meet. I respect the sentiments of the government, because end of the day we don't want politics coming here. It will be my part to ensure that we give all the necessary inputs which are required for seeing that the Goans do not suffer. Whatever is there from our side, from my side, those part I will give. I am not sure how much will be taken in, because I think most of the things are already decided. From the morning, if I'm looking at the tweets and the media bites which are coming out, the SOPs have been decided, other things have been decided. So whether we have been just called for press photographs, I'm not knowing about it. We will know once we go in. So on the way out, maybe I'll be able to share much more information on what topics we have to do. Economic revival is important, but when we are looking at June, July to peak, if the numbers go to 1,000, what happens? We don't know. How government is ready, we don't know. Shiroda was a classic example yesterday, when last night they started looking out for beds. 2 months before, the same government was saying we have 20,000 beds. So I think we are not in the right frame of things where it comes to a coronavirus or a COVID-19 situation. That is why I thought it fit. It should come into the light of the Prime Minister, who I'm sure will be knowing and may act on these issues, which otherwise, with the BJP government in the state, only Goans will be sufferers, nobody else. Those who are non-Goans may pick up the third home after the second home to go and stay. We will be the people who will be elected.
So what are all your thoughts on the today at the Michael Lobo has said and not required on test on border?
See, if every minister wants to become a doctor, then a doctor is not required to handle COVID. I think we need to put this in front of the Chief Minister. He has called us today. I think these are uncalled for, which are causing panic in the state. Why is the state and Goans in a panicky situation? It is because of immature statements coming out from ministers who are holding chairs. So I think they should be more responsive and responsible to answer statements with maturity, which is not there with the present government. Let us first take these issues up. Maybe on the way back.
MLAs itself are asking for the lockdown, like Alina Saldana, Movin Gudino, Carlos Almeida.
But we have seen that the food minister is saying that there is no need of lockdown. How you see?
somebody who is interested in quarantine tourism, somebody आज सहज म्हणला मला आयदनातलं चमचं समज आयदन खाली करून स्वतः तर तेच करतले सरकारांना नका म्हणून याचं असं वाटेल ना तुझ्याकडे
Yes, Mr. Bhopal.